what's up, y'all? What's up? PTE gang, man. It's your boy, the day trader, man. I'm back in this thing with another banger, man. We in this thing. As y'all can see, different background, man. Different background from what y'all used to seeing. It ain't, you know what I'm saying? This new crib. New crib, new humble abode, man. New blessings, man. Just all praise to the Most High, always. Also, y'all can see I got this merch on, right? So I got my brand on my shirt, Premium Trading Empire, man. That's the brand. If y'all messing with this, y'all rocking with this, man, make sure y'all leave a like on this video. And not just if you rocking with the merch, if you rocking with me and the campaign, man, you leave a like on this video and this knowledge I'm about to drop for you guys. I appreciate y'all tuning in and always showing me love. I know it's been a little minute. I've been trying to get everything set up so I can get back to y'all, giving y'all this knowledge, because I know y'all like it. I know y'all like it, searching for it. So hey, I ain't gonna talk too much. I ain't gonna ramble too much, all right? But I'm gonna let y'all know, we keep pushing, keep grinding, take leaps of faith. No matter how hard it is, no matter how much it don't make sense, everything gonna pay off in the long run. All right, we're in for the long game. Not like, ain't no sprint, ain't nothing short. You know what I'm saying? We're in it for the marathon. Shout out to Nip. All right, so look, without further ado, we about to finish up with this. What we doing? Trends. We about to finish up with these trends and show you what the trending market is on the live chart. All right. So without further ado, let's get into this. Get into this banger, man. Let's get into this thing for the one time. All right, let me get out of the way. Pull up the PowerPoint. Boom. All right. So as a little refresher from last, probably like 2 weeks ago. All right. So we doing trend. What is a trend? So uptrend consists of a low, which is the starting point, and a high, which is the next point, right? So you have a low, then you have a high, right? Phone off. So low, then you have a higher low, then you have a higher high, then another higher low, then a higher high, higher low, or higher high. So uptrend is made by the highs, but by the higher highs and the higher lows the market makes, and the downtrend is made from the lows, from the lower highs and the lower lows it makes. All right. So yeah, as you can see, it starts with the high, then it goes to a low, then you have a lower high, then you have a lower low, a lower high, and then a lower low, and then so on and so forth until the market wants to turn around to another direction. Same with the uptrend. All right. So I'm gonna show y'all this on a live chart. Let me find my chart. So boom, I was gonna show y'all this on not EA, GA, but I don't know what was going on with GA. That jump was active. Oh, I guess everything loaded up, but I already got y'all on the EA now though, so we about to go ahead and get it rocking on EA. So this is a 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, right? So I'm about to show y'all a downtrend on the 4-hour time frame, and how you basically kind of set it up, or kind of see what you look for. All right. So first things first, you start off with the high, right? So we're gonna start off with the high, which is gonna be H. We wanna make sure we capitalize that H and put some emphasis on that high. You dig? So this right here gonna be the high right here, and it's gonna be this area here. This is gonna be the high, the starting point. Bam. So that's gonna be the high. And then you can see when the market goes down. Okay, so what technically is a low? So basically a low is when the market breaks basically structure, right? So basically structure is nothing but, you know, the way the market moves. So the market can't break structure and just, basically the market can do whatever it wants. It has, you know, levels and things it has to abide by, which is market structure. All right. So with this high right here being made, and you can see this right here, this point here would be our, let me make this a little thicker. So this point here would be our basically support level, and basically this is the last low the market has made as well. So since this is the last low the market is made, we're waiting for the market to break this low. All right. So since we waiting for the market to break this low, let it be emphasized, and we're gonna just put an L on it. Ain't for a loser or a loss, but we about to learn some lessons. You dig? Learning lessons, double L, man. All right, so check it out. So when this market breaks this low, which will be this, which is also structure. Remember structure. When market breaks structure, it would be considered a lower low, right? So before we get ahead of ourselves, the market rejects from this low, which from this support level, and it makes this lower high right here. Okay, it's not really as clear, but it made a reversal pattern, which is an evening star, right? So since it made that reversal pattern, we about to go ahead and put a LH on it, which stands for what? What it stand for, class? Lower high, a lower high, right? So boom, we got a lower high right here. This the lower high, and then the market continues to drop down when it finally broke structure, right? Finally broke structure right here, and now we have, okay, boom, now we can officially say this market is in a downtrend, right? So we're not looking for no more buys, we're looking for straight sales. So it's gonna be a lower low, and since we're looking for sales, we're looking for market to touch another point, you know, basically we're looking for the market to touch, really wanted the market to retest this area here before we get into a trade. But if the market breaks our previous lower high, we're not getting into no more sales. We're looking for, okay, we're like, okay, ooh, it broke this high, so it might continue to shoot up. So we'll wait to see if the market's going to retest, or it's going to give us like a railroad candle or something. All right. So as you can see, the market did not break this lower high, but it didn't make a lower high. All right. So it basically stayed the same. So I would still consider this a lower high, but it just be a lower high that is, you know, lower than this high. Okay. So it's still a lower high though, and it's still in the downtrend. Want to know why? Because the market doesn't have to make a higher, a lower high every time, a lower high and a lower low every time for it to be considered a downtrend or a downtrending market. It can just, if it doesn't break a lower high, it's still considered in a downtrending market. As long as you have this lower low that's being made, and it makes the even, you know what I'm saying, this right here retest the previous high, you good. All right. So as you can see, it retested this area right here. Boom. You can see like, all right, boom. We already have a reversal pattern here, and then we came here, retested this. So two touches, double top, you call it an M, whatever you want to call it. Get in here, sell position, ride this down, and your take profit would be this support level right here. All right. But if we're looking for it to break this support level, because we're looking for the market to be in a downtrend. So boom, it came down. Boom, I bet we have a lower low. So we're gonna go ahead and let it be known that we got a lower low right here. Boom. So the market is still in a downtrend. All right, still in the downtrend. So if you're on a 1 hour time frame, this will look differently. All right, this will look differently. And I know this part right here will look differently. It'll look like it begins to be in an uptrend. So it all depends on what you trade in, not what you trade in, but what time frame you're looking at. All right. So the different time frames, you will see something totally different in what the market is doing. But the 4 hour is the overall move on what the market is doing. All right. So we have a right here. It's okay. All right. Boom. So the market came back. It came back and it retested and retouched the two previous highs. Right. So now I consider this a triple top, or really one touch right here, then another touch right here. So it really touched like 4 times it all in total. But I consider this right here, I consider this touch one big touch. Okay. So I consider that one big touch. So what we'll have here, I still put a lower high. It's still a lower high in my eyes. I'm gonna clone this and we're gonna let it be known that this is a lower high. It's still a lower high. All right, so okay, boom, you got triple top. Like, oh dang, I bet we about to sell it off. All right, because we just confident it still did not break our previous high, so we know like okay, it's just coming back and getting all the money that's trapped right here. So that's all the market makers did. That's all the banks did. They came in here and got the money that was trapped, the stop losses that were right here. They came and got these stop losses, and now they're getting the hell out of Dodge. So it broke this structure right here. Okay. Even though this not a, it broke this area right here, but we still looking for, okay, we still know the market is in a downtrend. All right, so boom, it came and stopped right here, right? So boom, this right here will be another take profit area, a structure. Okay, so the market continued to drop, came back up. I wouldn't consider this to be like a stop loss area. Would you put the stop loss above it? You could, but I don't know. I gotta drop it down to the 1 hour to see what's going on. But as you can see, it still broke the low. It still broke it. It still broke the previous low. Right here, still broke a previous low. Or you can go right here. If you want to be right here, boom. Okay, we put it right here, lower low. It's still low. It's still in the downtrending market, all right? So overall, y'all, this is still the gist of a downtrend. So we can go right here. We can be technical with it. We can say, okay, boom, this right here is the lower high. This is the lower high right here. Boom, I bet. If we test it off our 50 moving average, all right, boom, we know we good. The market ain't gonna come back up here. It shouldn't. So we riding it down. Lower low. We can say this is the lower low right here. All right, so as you can see, y'all, as the market continues to drop, we continue to put lower highs and lower lows because we continue to see breakup structure and we can see what the market is doing, how it's moving. All right, so I don't want to make this video too long, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. But you know, that's the gist. That is market structure. That's a downtrending market and how to basically identify it on a live chart. All right, man, it's your boy Dylan, the day trader, man. I appreciate y'all tuning in. I hope y'all watched this video to the end. And if y'all did, I appreciate you guys. And if you find it helpful, please share this video so I can reach more people so we can get there, grow the family. We can grow the family. See, it's growing steadily, but we want to go ahead and grow this thing. Let me get I'm trying to get 100 subs by January, by end of January. 100 subs by the end of January, man. I feel like that's very doable. I get a sub a day. We good. We reaching more people, man. So, hey, I appreciate y'all for tuning into my videos. Hey, I'm out. Peace, love. I ain't gonna say soul, cause you know what I'm saying. And soul, I'm gonna say it. Hey, man, I love y'all. Peace, love.